This is Talk Breakfast with Vivek Sunil and Sobia Khan on Talk 100.3.
Yes, continuing with Talk Breakfast, numbers भी आपको बता देते हैं to reach us 0586861003 and of course toll free number है 800-81003 and of course ये हमारी गेस्ट हैं जिनकी आवाज आपने सुनी उनको वेलकम करते हैं स्टूडियो में.
Yes, Nitin Agarwal हमारे साथ मैनेजिंग पार्टनर at Gopinath Group of Companies. Nitin, a pleasure to speak to you today.
Hi Vivek, hi Sonia, thank you so much.
It's a pleasure indeed, Nitin. And of course, talking
BNI,
about BNI.
yes.
And how did it all start? Because बहुत सारे लोग इसके बारे में जानना चाहते हैं.
गाला इवेंट हो रहा है BNI
जी.
डेरा. So आप कितने टाइम से हैं BNI डेरा के साथ?
So I connected with BNI in 2015 and I've been a member since. And I have tremendously benefited from the network of people who not only support you for doing business with you, but also give business to you.
But why did you join, अगर हम जानना चाहें नितिन, क्या रीज़न थी कि बिजनेस डूब रहा था या स्टार्ट कर रहे थे, क्या सिलसिला? There are always reasons people take a step.
You're absolutely right. So I was a banker in this country.
अच्छा.
So almost 15 years of banking career and then decided to get into business.
Sure.
But, a completely different country, completely different line. I didn't know many people who could help me and support me in business. So one of my friends connected me to BNI and I said, wow, this is a great place because a lot of the people in that room can help me and support me in my business. Both in terms of helping me meet the day-to-day requirements of suppliers.
Okay.
And also, there are customers in the market I'm looking for who are probably already working with some of them.
सही.
So they could get me a connection there, or they could introduce me there, or just handhold me in how to deal with them. So, yeah, it was a great network. And in turn, in 6 years, I also got great friends there because we don't only talk about business now, we talk about everything.
That's right. You never looked back, basically. 7 years now.
Absolutely not. And I would recommend that anyone, you should not join BNI because you're struggling. You should join BNI because it'll help you do better.
क्या बात है. We must talk about his journey as well, Nitin. Gopinath Group of Companies, this is a family business you got in, or you are the one who started it?
So this company was actually established in 1971. And, I say this with a lot of pride. It is older than UAE because UAE was set up in December.
Of course.
72.
And this company was set up in 71. So I actually bought this company 7 years ago from the original investor
Sure.
who ran it for almost 45 odd years. And yeah, so I've bought it about 7 years ago from him. So not a family business.
मतलब ये आपने कदम उठाया. So what all industries Gopinath Group of Companies is ventured into?
So Gopinath is primarily a painting company.
Okay.
So we do so how we call it is we paint and protect since 1971
Nice.
because we've done painting of storage tanks and vessels and ships and oil rigs for various companies. 20 years, 25 years of coating protection. I mean, this is a good example I give nowadays. If you track the current story of Qatar Airways with Airbus, the problem, the dispute between them is paint peel off. It's such a small thing, right?
Sure. Yeah.
That's what we assume. But paint peel off has cost one of the biggest.
Billions or millions, yeah.
Absolutely. So that's how much a paint can cost you, and people
It
don't
can
realize
cause
that.
you a lot of pain.
Absolutely. Minus the T, yes, the pain.
Yes. So, of course, if you can tell us that, in the beginning, 7 years back when you joined BNI, how it has, changed through the course. Of course, pandemic came in between. And what would you like to see it when you look back?
So if I look at my journey of BNI 7 years ago, what happened was I was a new businessman with an old company.
You're not from a businessman family? Or
No, historically I come from India from a business family.
Okay.
But I chose a career of service.
Sure.
I did almost 15 years of service in the various banking and other aspects before getting into business once again.
Okay.
But, Dubai is a new market. This industry I've got into is completely unrelated to my financial industry. And when you're in the finance industry, I was a vice president of a bank. So I'm not really interacting on the ground with individuals.
Correct.
So the challenges I have are very different when I become a businessman. As I say,
Sure.
as a businessman, you're responsible for everything. If required, you sweep the floor. If you're required, you sleep on the floor.
Right.
Which is not the case when I was the vice president. I always had someone who would do something for me.
Correct.
So the biggest challenge when I came into this business was if I needed my business card printed, who do I go to? I can't go to 2 people, 10 people and say, give me a quotation, and I need someone reliable.
Sure.
So in the room, I had a friend. I could just reach out to him and say, you know what, I want my cards printed. I want my brochures done. I had a friend who's a lawyer. I said, you know what, I'm facing difficulty in collecting money from a customer of mine, or I need a contract to be vetted, or I need even my own company, LLC, I need a basic MOU. What to put in there, what to get out of there, what is going to work for me, what's not going to work for me. All those things happened in the room with those people in the room helping me and guiding me on the way.
Even though it is cost effective or not, probably you're getting a better deal outside, but still you're bound to be giving and getting.
See, I look at it this way. You have to pay a cost everywhere. But who do you depend on paying the cost? Someone you can trust. So I think the biggest thing I got in BNI was to trust on the people who are giving me the service or helping me out.
And Nitin, the mantra is to that let's grow together.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I mean, in BNI, that's what we're talking about. We're talking about what goes around comes around. Givers gain.
And it literally does.
It does. It does. So I say this in BNI, when I joined BNI, my initial objective was, I'm fine, kind of fine with not getting business from BNI. I'm happy to get the people in the room supporting me in my business because I need those services. But I got a lot of business from BNI. In the last 7 years, if I have given 6 million plus worth of business, I've got over almost 5.5 million of business from the members in the room.
Brilliant. And the projects that you've undertaken as well, they are one of the best. I mean, they are the best in UAE.
Yes. So if your previous person disappeared the Burj Khalifa,
Moin al-Mastaq.
we actually painted the Museum of the Future.
Absolutely amazing.
And
Fabulous.
Gopinath is also actually, I'm just trying to find the papers. We were involved in actually the foundation painting of the Burj Khalifa.
Wow.
So we do sandblasting.
Okay.
So when you're putting a structure, a structural steel structure, it needs to be protected. So you sandblast it to prepare a surface and then you coat it with a paint which gives you a life. So we did that for the Burj Khalifa. I'm still trying to check out where the documents have gone, where we did that job.
Hope you find them soon.
Absolutely.
Wow.
Now is the time. Yes.
We'll go for a short break. लेकिन
Yes.
उसके बाद also there were many projects जो Gopinath Group of Companies undertook, and managing partner Nitin Agarwal हमारे साथ हैं. If you have any questions, if you want a job, please give us a call.
Yes, do reach us. Anything if you're on your mind.
The managing partner is here right now. 808-1003.
Talk 100.3.
Continuing with Talk Breakfast on Talk 100.3, talking about business and how people in the industry helping each other, growing together. That's what BNI around the world is all about. But right here, especially in UAE, एक बार फिर से आपको रिमाइंड करवाएंगे कि बहुत जल्द उनका एक गाला गेट टुगेदर ही आप कह लीजिए वो भी होने वाला है.
BNI डेरा गाला अवार्ड्स ये होने वाला है. सो इसके बारे में आपको थोड़ा बहुत जल्दी बता दे कि 8 अक्टूबर को मिलेनियम एयरपोर्ट होटल में हो रहा है. BNI डेरा होस्ट कर रहा है BNI डेरा गाला अवार्ड्स. So everybody is excited to know कि how can they be a part
You'll
of
be
it.
there, Nitin? Or...
I will definitely be there. In fact, the Gala Award is more of a culmination of what we have done in the whole year.
Sure.
Celebrating the success of all the people who've given.
Is it a regular feature?
It's an annual event.
Okay.
We had it last year and the year before as well. So it's basically, recognizing and thanking everybody who's been part of the BNI group.
Sure.
And especially recognizing those people who've gone that extra mile to give more than what was called for. So, the highest giver, the highest contributor, people who've made a difference to the group as such.
Absolutely.
And this was your first time as a member of BNI 7 years back, Nitin?
In fact, this is the first time I've ever been part of any networking group.
Is it?
Absolutely.
So, because UAE is a melting pot, people from all, walks of life, industries, countries come down together. And you must have seen some change within these 7 years. It has grown, and how similar or different it is as we speak.
I think UAE is a great, as you rightly said, melting pot. And I see the same in BNI. I'm doing a particular line of business, but in that room today we have almost 81 members of 80 different kinds of business.
Correct.
So while I don't only get to give business to them, I also learn from the various businesses. In fact, I have started a few lines of business because I realized those were the opportunities which I was losing out in my other
Is
lines
it
of
so?
business.
क्या
Okay.
बात है. So it's not only painting.
It's not only painting. We are also into interior. We're also into gypsum works. So we are associated. We've done jobs with Royal Atlantis. We've done work. So we are most proud of in the expo. While we did a lot of other jobs of painting, we did the entire Luxembourg Pavilion in terms of the gypsum works and the painting works.
My kids love it. मतलब my son loves it and his friends love it. एक तो इतना बड़ा slide है वहाँ पे.
Absolutely.
अभी भी है क्या?
It's there. So Luxembourg Pavilion has been left back.
Thankfully for all of us to explore it again.
Nitin, you're all over the place, actually.
I'm happy that the opportunity has been
course.
available.
Yeah, but then of course, that discipline that comes with it when people, they choose you, that commitment, all those ethics, work ethics they have to be there.
See,
itself.
people don't realize being a businessman or being providing a service, you have to be on your toes 24/7.
Correct.
If you do a slip up once, people will remember that. They will not remember the 99 times that you did it right.
Sure.
At the end of the day, you appreciate what you saw in Luxembourg Pavilion. If it was done badly,
तो याद नहीं रहता.
नहीं याद रहता और कभी ना भूलता.
गलत चीजों के लिए याद रहता.
correct. So,
But I must ask you, ये स्टार्टअप कल्चर इंडिया में बहुत प्रॉस्पर हुआ, यहाँ पे भी काफी प्रॉस्पर हो रहा है. एज ए बिजनेसमैन, what do you think of this ecosystem that's been building up all these years now?
actually startup, most businesses in this country are actually a startup because everybody starts small and then grows bigger.
Correct.
What people don't realize is a journey. I mean, if you look at Netflix, they started in 1970s.
बहुत साल हो गए उनको.
If you look at Amazon, they started in 1990s. People talk about what they're doing today,
Correct.
but they don't look at the journey which they have gone 20 years, 30 years, 40 years in the making.
पूरा लाइफ डाल दिया है.
Exactly. So, the only difference between then ecosystem versus now is then people were expecting their relatives, their family members to contribute and fund. Now the system is people who have the money, who don't have an opportunity to invest, are willing to fund the unknown people.
Correct.
Just on the idea and the concept. So that's a difference.
Correct.
And I think it's a great opportunity for this area, this region especially because the opportunity is tremendous.
And people have this in their mind that कि यार सिर्फ नौकरी करने से नहीं होगा. I'll have to take a step. I'll have to flourish that idea that I've been thinking about. What are those tips or probably guidance if you would give all
और
of them?
साथ ही नौकरी is not doing justice to your qualification, Nitin. और अब उन्हें लगता है कि अब नौकरी नहीं है तो you have to have side business or
To sustain
business.
yourself यहाँ
Yeah.
पे.
So I have a slightly different take on this.
Okay.
Education grooms you well to be an employee,
Okay.
not an employer.
क्या बात है.
So if you look at
आपने सारे स्कूल को नाराज कर दिया अभी.
no. So I mean, for every employer you have so many employees. So you still need
एक entrepreneur skill जो कहते हैं.
and an entrepreneur has to be a risk taker, and not everybody can take risk. Because I had this great training where we were learning from the teachings of Jack Welch, how he built GE as a great successful empire.
Wow.
And Jack Welch said an entrepreneur is a person who has probably 50 or 60% or maximum 70% of information, and the remaining 30% is his gut feel.
क्या बात है. Intuition पे.
Any stage of your life, Nitin, because maybe in our 20s we would have taken more risk.
Rebellious,
in 30s,
yeah.
Little less. 40s, 50s, you get very, very conscious.
On the lighter side of it, the biggest risk we take is get married, right? You meet somebody for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, an hour, and then you commit for life.
Correct.
In us, we believe we commit for the next 7 generations, right?
Yes.
So you're getting married to somebody. So when you take that risk, and I mean, so many of them, majority of them are successful, right? So why stop taking a risk of something which is your passion?
Correct.
If passion is your work, why not your business?
Not with half knowledge. With something which is your passion, then I'm sure you must be having quite good knowledge about something, right? Because people at times, like for example, you said you went to BNI and you felt there was scarcity of something and you continued in the same line.
That's correct.
But that's not always, not everybody's that lucky.
It's always a trial and error. As I said, you have to take the risk. And when you take the risk and you realize that you have lack of knowledge, then you invest in knowledge. You can't learn everything and do it from day one.
You upgrade yourself, you train.
Absolutely. You have to upgrade yourself. You have to train. In fact, we at our company have invested heavily in training. We have a dedicated training person who's training us regularly on leadership skills, on communication and various factors, purely because tomorrow if something happens to me, how will the company survive? The company has to survive the entrepreneur. The company has to become professional. Company has to move on beyond the individual. And that's what people don't realize. If you look at larger organizations who survive for 100 years,
Sure.
it's never the entrepreneur.
Correct. Yeah,
It's
they take a
always the
back
organ-
seat, right? And then they let the whole process go on its own.
You look at Reliance now.
Right.
Mukesh Ambani has taken a back seat and given it to his children.
Correct.
He's giving them the example. You lead forward. You make your mistakes. You learn from them and you grow from them.
And Nitin, since you're here, since you brought up Ambani, would love to know, what do you think is the secret of Gautam Adani? Now he's the third wealthiest person in the world.
I wish I knew that. I would
I
love
think
to
very-
follow
Hard
footsteps.
work, lot of hard work.
Again, as I said, we may talk about Adani today, but he started his journey, 50, 60, 70 years ago?
Nobody knew since the last 5 years जब ये नाम आने लगा ऊपर.
Smart work.
I think you get lucky at times.
But luck has to be there, Nitin. Rest
Hard work.
assured.
Hard work combined with luck gets your name on the paper.
Yes.
You know,
That's
we've
like
been
complete
getting
deal.
messages for Nitin. We got a message from Sufyan. He's like, I'm loving this session with Nitin right now. And Nitin, you're truly inspirational.
I appreciate it.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much.
We got a message, amazing thoughts by Nitin. AB का message आया है. इन्होंने नाम नहीं लिखा है, but AB इनके initials लग रहे हैं.
Well,
Abdul.
आप
Okay.
उनसे मिल भी सकते हैं
क्या
BNI में.
बात है Nitin?
Thank you so much. Feels
You
like a
didn't tell us
celebrity
the
today.
secret. Tell us Adani
No.
का secret.
So I think at the end of the day,
Mr. Gautam Adani.
as most people say it, they say you have to have the right network. So some people say that his network is Mr. Modi. Probably having the right network. Maybe BNI is the right network.
Absolutely. बहुत सही कहा आपने. सीधा honest answer. एक और सवाल from Sufyan. कह रहे कि I want to start up. एक business है जिनको start करना है, but he's confused. He doesn't know if he's still ready. How will he know if he's ready?
Honestly, even when you start it, you'll not know you're ready. Because it's a difficult answer. You're never ready for what the world will throw at you.
But कुछ एक parameters, कुछ शक वाला यकीन.
I believe if you're passionate enough,
Go
you
for
will
it.
make it successful.
वो कल जो है वो आज हो जाए.
You should not be scared of failure. I mean, I was reading an article. I think mankind is we human beings are the only one who are looking for 100% success.
Sure.
But if you look at the nature itself, nature is not prepared for 100% success. I mean, one of the example was out of so many eggs that different animals lay, probably one survive. The nature is prepared for 99% failure. Why are we trying to succeed every time?
And there is no right, there is no wrong.
Absolutely.
Everything has to evolve.
Yeah, I mean, you make a mistake, but the point is, do you stop after that? Then it was a mistake. If you learn and move forward, it was a learning.
Absolutely.
क्या
So-
बात है.
Just don't stop. That's the best way of an entrepreneur. If you stop, you failed. If you don't, you'll be successful one day or the other.
Well, I think those
Chapter
motivational
leader
skills.
बन रहे हैं यहाँ पे नितिन.
Gee, it's in the making.
That's the motto I've lived with. I mean, failure is part of success.
Anuj ka message. Wow, Nitin, you're inspirational. Well said. The ability to take risk determines where you reach. How can a newbie join BNI? Anuj ka message. I think website pe aap.
Well, Anuj, joining BNI is very simple. You have to commit yourself to come in the morning and enjoy the company of the
6:30?
people. Actually, we prefer 5:45.
Oh, awesome. But the thing is, I have no doubts about Anuj because अगर वो morning show सुन ही रहे हमारा, he must be an early riser.
No, so the objective of BNI is, you come in, meet people, and go back to your office as if nothing happened.
Get into that mode as well.
Absolutely. And believe me, for 7 years, it's only the morning BNI day meeting I don't need an alarm to wake up. Every other day I need an alarm to wake up. It's just in the system now.
Nice, yeah, superb. One takeaway from this entire interview is जब सुफियान ने सवाल पूछा कि when will I know I am ready to start a business, and this line which came out of Nitin's, thoughts, you will never be ready for what the world will throw at you. This is one takeaway I'll take from
ये आपने
Nitin.
चुराई है या अभी बनाई है नितिन this line?
Probably subconsciously there.
Well said. And of course, the luck on your favor. Luck favors the brave. And that's what you are. More power and success to you and your team, Nitin. Thank you so much for coming down.
Thank you so much for the opportunity.